we've put together an awesome taco bar for tailgating, for game day, for a family night dinner. But what about that taco bar turning into not just one meal, but one meal 4 ways? Yeah, it's a taco bar, but then you could turn it into egg bites. We did that earlier. And now, how about a kind of viral TikTok sensation of a quesadilla pocket? What could be better for an afternoon snack that your kids could make? And it's so easy to do. As a nutritionist and chef, I'm always looking for a way to get protein into a snack. Well, this is a great way to do it and an easy way. All that I've done is just put a little slit into the tortilla. If you've not made these yet, oh, wait, it's just sensational. Again, a little bit of cheese over this. I'm gonna add a little bit more later. Then I'm gonna start with some beef. That beef is gonna come in. It's that beautiful taco meat, again, Aussie grass-fed beef that just is lean and clean, loaded with protein and iron. To that, I'm gonna add a little bit of black beans. The black beans are going to give, again, just a little bit more of a body to it, maybe a little bit of scallions put on top of that. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of salsa. Salsa is gonna help to kind of be my glue with this. And how about a little guacamole? Why not? Because it just gives so much flavor and it's using all of my ingredients. Then I'm gonna do just a simple little fold. That little clip has done that. I'm gonna then move over to my last fold. Always let your fresh vegetables like the guacamole or the scallions, the salsa, be the end because you don't want them to overcook. You get them into a pan that you have just sprayed with a little bit of nonstick spray or maybe a little drizzle of olive oil. I like to use a press because I'm really wanting to almost get that, you hear that sizzle? That incredible kind of melting of the cheese, the heating up of the ingredients. What you have once you finish are quesadillas that are pocket quesadillas that look just like this. I like to put them in just a little slice so that they're just really easy to dip and to eat. You could put them onto a plate with some of those taco bar ingredients like a really zesty slaw, some of the black beans again for more protein, little guacamole. You've got something absolutely delicious. And hey, how about a little salsa too? We've got it. In just the next time, we're going to be taking a look at meal 4. Again, 1 taco bar, Mexi egg bites, number 2, these great quesadilla pockets, and next up, how about some thermos chili? We'll see you soon.